Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you would like to watch these type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for your support. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to store your Valentine's ephemera in a photo box. So I'm just going to go ahead and roll the camera so you can watch my tips on how storing ephemeras in a photo box. Hi my crafty friends. So here I am with some of my crafty supplies, and this is how I am currently organizing Valentine's ephemera pieces, die cuts, and also my bow dies. So as you can see, I'm right now in a very small craft room and I don't have enough space, so I am being rethinking on how I can organize my supplies and they can be in front of my eyes so I can start crafting and doing and using them, right? Using my stash. So let's talk about ephemera. I know some of us, we like to keep the package so we know where the ephemera is, but if you're like me right now, if you're in this situation where you have like a hodgepodge of different collections in different sizes of ephemera, but they are the same theme, right? They're Valentine's. So I've been using these photograph holders, plastics, where I'm gonna open the first one. I've been storing and categorizing things by color and size, like these plastic ephemera. I have them loose, right? But then I have been using these mini tiny baggies that you can get those at AliExpress or Hobby Lobby, and also these type of baggies as well. And here I have the tiny little pieces of ephemera from different collections like crepe paper, pebbles, simple stories, etc. So this is great. So if I'm looking for small ephemera, I just like open this little baggie and dumped everything right in a tray so I can start digging and find what I wanted to use, right? Then for these kind of like medium-sized ephemera, these are most like tags and kind of like 2x3s or 3x4s size of ephemera. I am just storing them here. So if I want to do like a tag flip or anything, I go into these and just dump everything and start digging, you know, selecting what I want to use. Then the other type of ephemera, again, kind of like narrow. I'm using these baggies again, but of course, this is just like so long, right? That's okay. That's okay. It doesn't close. It stays there because at the end of the day, everything is contained in this photo box, right? So, and then over here, I have like tiny little loose things and one of the big cut apart that are receiving swaps in here and there. So this is super easy for me to go into. So if I'm doing memory decks cards or rosettes or tag flips, I can just go and get them based on the size of the ephemera piece. So, and everything fits nicely. And then I put here my plastic ones, and voila, it's just everything is contained in this photo plastic container. You can get those at also Amazon and Joann's Fabric as well. Then the other type of storage that I also like to use are these little plastic envelopes. For those who live in California or in bigger cities, you might have Daisos and Daiso might carry them. Well, I don't have a Daiso. I have a Container Store, so I purchased these at the Container Store. They're like $2.99, I believe. And over here I have more of my loose ephemeras, like bigger chunky cards, like card parts in other words. So, and that's where I store these here, and it's just easy. It's easy peasy, right? Then how I store my bow dies. Again, this is an envelope from, the brand is Popping, and I got these at the Container Store. If you have a Daiso, Daiso might carry something similar, and then I use a label maker and just label. These are bows and shapes. I originally had a lot of bows here, but that's okay. Bows and shapes, they go the same, so I'm using these. And so this is how I organize and store Valentine's ephemera pieces, die cut pieces, and also the dies that I'm using for Valentine's. So I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to store your stash, your Valentine's ephemera, die cuts, and also your dies. And if you want to see these type of videos, just leave me a comment down below. And if you're new, thank you for watching. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap the bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for watching, my crafty friends. I really appreciate that you are watching and spending time with me in this journey of organizing my crafty supplies. Bye.